Hello everyone, this is YAYA Mandarin. Welcome to my Hanyu Pinyin course, Lesson 5. First, let's see what we are going to learn in this video today. In the previous lesson, we learned 5 tones, including 4 basic tones and 1 neutral tone. First tone is a flat tone, also a longest sound. Ah. Second tone is a rising tone, like a question tone. Ah. The third tone is a falling rising tone. Ah. The fourth tone is a falling tone, like a painful sound. Ah. The fifth tone, also known as a neutral tone, is a very short and light sound. Ah. Let's review other 6 simple vowels in 5 tones now. O, 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 o. In this lesson, we will learn 9 compound vowels. The first one, I. This is a falling compound, meaning that the first sound of the compound is pronounced louder with longer duration than the second sound. This sound is very similar to the sound I in English. Please repeat after me. I. Second compound vowel, A. This is a falling compound as well. This sound is very similar to the English letter A. Please repeat after me. A. Next compound vowel, ow. This is a falling compound. When pronouncing ow, first pronounce the simple vowel ah, and gradually switch to the sound oo. And ah should be pronounced longer and louder, while oo is shorter and lighter. This sound is similar to the letter OW in English letter how. Please read after me. Ow. Next compound vowel, O. This is a falling compound. This sound is similar to O in English. Please read after me. O. Next compound vowel, ya. This is a rising compound. Here rising means the second sound of the compound is always pronounced louder, and the duration of the sound is also longer than that of the first sound of the compound. When pronouncing ya, first pronounce the simple vowel I, and then gradually switch to pronounce another simple vowel, ah. Please repeat after me. Ya. ya. The sixth compound vowel, ye. This is a rising compound. This sound is similar to the English word ye. Please notice that when pronouncing ye, e is shorter and lighter, while is longer and louder. Please repeat after me. Ye, ye, ye. The seventh compound vowel, wa. This is a rising compound. This sound can be firstly produced by pronouncing the simple vowel u, and then followed by another simple vowel a. Please repeat after me. Wa, wa, wa. The eighth compound vowel, wo. Also a rising compound. This sound can be firstly produced by pronouncing the simple vowel u, and then followed by another simple vowel o. Please repeat after me. Wo, wo, wo. The last compound vowel, yue. This is a rising compound. First pronounce the simple vowel yu, and then move to e quickly. Please read after me. Yue, yue, yue. We learned 9 compound vowels today. Let's read them one more time. I, a, ow, o, ya, ye, wa, wo, yue。你学会了吗？Now I would like to introduce some spelling rules for you before we start to practice these 9 compound vowels. In Lesson 1, we learned that a Chinese syllable usually consists of 3 elements: the initial consonant, the simple or compound vowel, and the tone. But some syllables can stand alone without initial consonants. For the simple vowels, a, o, r, when they are a syllable by itself, they are written without any changes. But when i, u, yu are syllables by itself, they are written like this. Please remember, they are just written like this, but the sound won't change. This is a special spelling rule in Standard Chinese. When E itself is a syllable, it's written by adding Y before E. When a syllable begins with E, like ya, ye we learned today, they are written by changing E into Y. When U is a syllable by itself, it's written by adding W before U. When a syllable begins with U, for example, wa, wo, is written by replacing U with W. When yu is a syllable by itself, it's written by adding Y before yu and removing the 2 dots from yu. When a syllable begins with yu, like yue, it's written by placing a Y before yu and remove the 2 dots from yu. Let's read them together. I, 呀耶乌哇喔吁约。你学会了吗？ Let me show you some useful words now. 衣服阿姨意思屋子雨耳朵儿子I have prepared some useful words for you to practice 9 compound vowels. I 来奶奶妹妹飞机黑色好猫老师跑步口头狗肉家下鸭子牙齿姐姐借书鞋子写字画画花朵青蛙娃娃火坐下我窝一月月亮音乐学校你学会了吗？ That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.